How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about how to foam roll the glutes. Now, the glutes can be an area that can affect your lower back quite often. If you have some tight glutes or glutes that aren't kind of working properly, they can definitely affect joints above and below. So maybe it might affect your knee or your lower back, depending on like what kind of limitations you have. So there's 3 steps to foam rolling your glutes that we're gonna go through. So the first one is gonna be to actually foam roll itself. We're gonna be doing just kind of like a pass over, just kind of searching foam roll in the beginning. And then we're gonna do a quick active foam roll, which you'll see in just a second. And then the second step is going to be to passively stretch into a glute stretch. And the third one is going to be to activate the glutes so that we utilize the glutes to its full range of motion. So the reason why we have these steps is that so you can get the longest term benefits or the best bang for your buck within that short amount of time that you dedicate to foam rolling. So here we go. Let's go with the first thing. The first thing is going to be just passing over the glutes and just kind of like just searching and looking for that kind of like that juicy spot, right? And the important thing here is to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, maybe in for 5 seconds, out for 5 seconds. And then secondly, we're gonna go right into that active stretch there, active foam roll, excuse me. So you're gonna really pull on your knee and make sure that you're getting that stretch and that active foam roll effect in there. Secondly, second step, we're gonna go right into the 90-90 stretch. Now the 90-90 stretch is one of my favorite hip stretches. It's absolutely amazing and it's simple to do. All you do is 90 degrees in the front, 90 degrees in the back leg, and then you fall onto your forearms. If you're having trouble getting into this stretch, what you can do is just place a little mat below your butt and you should be totally fine. The third step is going to be a active stretch. So now we got everything loosened up and now we need to utilize that new range of motion that we got from the foam rolling. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into glute extension. How this is performed, we're gonna get out onto all fours and then extend one leg back. Now it's important to maintain the structure or the integrity of the core. So you really wanna make sure that you're not curving your back or kind of like arching or extending your back in any manner. You really wanna keep that locked in and really just move the hip through that range of motion so you can utilize the glutes to its full range of motion. Another one is getting back into that 90-90 and actually activating the internal and external rotators is gonna be a great way to kind of just get a little more motion into the hips and actively utilizing that new range of motion that you might have gotten from the foam rolling and the passive stretching. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.